Yes, sir. We back, we back, we back. Yeah, back with some more heat, y'all. One stop drip shop unboxing in the bando. Yeah, nigga. We back with some more heat, man. What the fuck is new, though? You feel me? Halfway back with some news you could use. Some more fly drip, you know what I mean? New fits. What the fuck is new? What's going on with you, man? You feel me? Off top, you can see it's a big difference from the top of these jeans to the bottom of these jeans. You feel what I'm saying? You already know where I'm going because it's Rick Owens, you know? So let's get into some of this shit, some of this fly ass details, man. This is one of the hardest pair of jeans I bought thus far, you feel me? I'm gonna use a word I don't normally use, you feel me? I don't even really know the definition of it. But I was nervous when I first copped these shits, like, you feel me? Not necessarily when I first copped it, when I first opened the box and I got the shit and I looked at it. First of all, these bitches is mad fucking long. Then I seen the bottom of these shits. Look how wide the bottom was, bro. I was like, yo, what the fuck I done did? Like, and a nigga like me, I don't really like try my drip on. Like, I leave that shit in a box till it's time to go. You feel what I'm saying? Like, that's how I be coming there. Like, I'm that confident in my style and the shit I pick out. So it just be like, when I'm ready to go, I'll pop the box open. You feel me? And throw this shit on. That's what really fucked my YouTube flow up, because I was waiting to unbox shit and I'll be like, bro, I don't really do the unboxing thing. Like, I throw this shit on when I'm ready to go. So that was fucking the channel up. So I'm like, yo, I'm gonna just start bringing y'all the shit after I wear it. Clip the whole unboxing thing, you know what I'm saying? Keep the channel going, you feel me? Keep it growing. So back to what I was saying, bro. These are some extremely long pants. And I'm a tall nigga, you feel what I'm saying? Look how long these shits is. So you know what it means? It just means it's wavy at the bottom, bro. When you got the right feets on, this shit is super wavy, gang. Like, I recommend these shits like a motherfucker, man. Trust me on this one, gang. Trust me. You know, I know you thinking like, damn, I'm gonna look like some bell bottoms. I'm gonna whoop-de-whoop. Nah, nigga, you gonna look like the flyest ahead nigga out there, bro. All these niggas in their Marys and some galleries looking like motherfucking fresh out of pack robots or clones and shit. You just gonna be a breath of fresh air, my boy, like a breath of fresh air. If they see you in these shits. Or whoever you doing it for, if you doing it for yourself, or I ain't gonna say you doing it for another nigga, but whoever you doing this shit for, you know what I mean? To each his own, whatever floats your boats. We ain't in here trying to judge motherfuckers and all that. Whatever floats your boat, champ. But you feel me? Some more details. This 2022, nigga. I ain't play with y'all niggas on this one, bro. I ain't play with y'all niggas on this one. Word. Some more details. I got goofies on my channel saying my drip fake. That might just be some internet trolling shit, man. Cause y'all couldn't possibly think this drip fake. Like, y'all couldn't possibly. So I just chalk it up to some internet trolling shit. They trolling me on the net, trying to get a response. I'ma flame your ass up, though. I'ma tell you how you ain't on shit. I'ma talk about your bum ass. I'm gonna say a whole gang of shit to you. You know what I mean? I might even call you broke and some more shit. You know, I don't really get in that nigga pockets, but stay out my comments with it, gang. Get outside. Get on the internet. Go to these websites. Go to the exact website. Go to Rick Owens, see what he's selling at the moment, and you gonna see I'm always ahead. Cause like I tell you, I don't bring you this shit as soon as I get it, as soon as I wear it, and I should be saying for months. And the effects on that gonna be when I open the IG up. I hit 1,000 subs. I open the IG up. You're gonna see exactly when I wore it. Then you're gonna come back to the YouTube. You're gonna see exactly when I posted the review on it. You feel me? It's always months apart, man. But even when I bring it to you, it's new. You feel what I'm saying? Because one thing about the drip shop, we gonna play ahead to stay ahead. We gonna keep y'all niggas in the know. You know what I mean? Always on go type shit. But yeah, these leave your comment, leave your grade in the comments. I'm gonna give these bitches a 9. If y'all had an opportunity to go grab these, go grab them. You won't go wrong. You feel me? I think they call the Rick Owens Bolan or bowling jeans or some shit like that. I'm gonna leave the motherfucking name in the description. They out right now. You know what I'm saying? Sale season is pretty much here. You probably could grab them on a sale type shit. You know what I'm saying? Pay way cheaper than I did, but yeah, man. One stop drip shop, unboxing in the bando. Play. I had to stay ahead. Let me see if I get y'all niggas every detail. These how the jeans is coming, a little rich. The couple, you know what I mean? Back in the day, early 2000 vibes, a couple years ago when jeans they coming like this. You rarely see this type of shit on jeans anymore. So shout out to Rick for doing that. See what the back going on with the back. Back kind of simple, ain't not too crazy. The big detail on these is the motherfucking, it's just the length on them and the boot cut bottom, bro. The bottom on these shits, part of these things. I told you these shits, they fucking long, nigga. They might, on certain niggas, they might be kind of dragging. But that's gonna be the vibe you think about it, like, you feel me? So be careful, player had to stay ahead with that. On some dudes, these shits is gonna be touching the floor, you feel me? They is gonna be touching the floor, but the way they cut, you know what I'm saying? It's just gonna make you look futuristic type shit. I don't know how to explain it. You have to go to the gram and motherfucking, you know what I mean? Get a look, man. Dads and subs, if you watching this right now, you ain't sub up, then we on the road to 1,000, you feel what I'm saying? And that 1,000 sub, matter of fact, I'm gonna do everybody from 995. We gonna send out some drip. You feel what I'm saying? I told y'all we sponsored by the fastest growing fashion house in New York, so we gonna send out some drip. You dig? So on the road to 1,000, man. I appreciate y'all niggas. Play ahead to stay ahead. One stop drip shop, unboxing in the bando, man. Y'all niggas know how we coming. Hottest channel on I said on YouTube. And yeah, niggas about to call my shit NewTube. So all I do is bring new shit to the tube, you heard? But yeah, hottest, flyest channel on YouTube, bringing y'all niggas the newest drip and shit, you know? But yeah, we about this, man. Play at the staff.